Booker. But everyone calls me Abba. Abba Atiku Booker as well. I'm here today with my coordinators from the organization that I founded back in 2022, I believe. We started this organization in 2022 to be able to work for His Excellency, my father, Atiku Abubakar. Just forgive me if I'm a bit nervous, I think I'm a bit excited to be here with all of you. This is a very key time in the history of our country, where you have incredible leaders like His Excellency, Senator Barao Jibrin here. I'm not one to, load over a lot of things we've done in the past, but we've done a lot of good work. We've done a lot of good work in various communities. Now, as it is now, we are not here to move on about too much of that. This is a very important moment, and it's one that I'm going to, so today I'm formally here to announce my exit from my former party, where we worked in 2023, and to the APC. With this development, I will work with His Excellency, Senator Barao, to actualize the second term bid of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And also, to this effect, I am ushering and directing all coordinators from our association to join the APC and work with President Tinubu. Thank you.
North-East Zone, Comrade, His Excellency Mustafa Salim. An APC chieftain from Kano, and a chieftain also from the entire country. He's not restricted to Kano alone, he's everywhere in Nigeria. Alhaji Mahmoud Abdullahi. A former advisor and current advisor to the Office of Deputy Senate President and the chieftain of the party, an elder state person, Alhaji Hamza Darama. Alhaji Melafia Sanka was an advisor in Kano and also a chieftain of the APC in the Northwest Zone.
Yes, please.
The Chief of Staff to the Minister of Housing, also a chieftain of the APC from Northwest Zone. Alhaji Hafizu, Honorable Hafizu, a chieftain of the APC from Northwest Zone, and a member of the Governing Council of the Southwest Development Commission and former commissioner, and also a chieftain of the APC from Northwest Zone, Alhaji Kabiru, Honorable Kabiru Adolakwaya. And let me also move from here, through here, sorry. We have the man of the moment, the newest member of the APC in the entire country.
Yeah.
Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, popularly known as Abba, former or a current member of the Northwest Development Commission, former member House of Reps, and also a chieftain of APC from Northwest Zone, Engineer Muhammad Ali Wudil. The deputy coordinator or the national coordinator of the former Husky Atiku organization, and all members of the organization that are here, the coordinators nationwide. I wouldn't be able to name all of you, everyone that is here, all of you, and everyone that is here. I salute all of you. Let me begin by saying congratulations to Atiku Abubakar, a member of the Husky organization, for the campaign from the PDP today to register with the APC. This is a very, very wise decision. You've taken a bold and wise decision. And I congratulate all of you, particularly the convener of that organization, or that defunct organization, which is now Husky Bola Tinubu organization. You've taken a bold step, and I congratulate you for that. What you have done is based on the politics of ideology. But let me just give you the background of how all this thing happened. He is saying his residence in the United States of America, but he was following what is happening. He has been following what is happening here in Nigeria. And he was able to see what we are doing in supporting the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in terms of his policy implementation, in terms of reaching out to the public, enlightening them about what is being done to reshape this country. He has been looking at us. So he decided, after watching, after studying what we've been doing, he decided that he will come back to this country to join us in order to move on with the work we are doing in respect to the program of Mr. President, the Renew Hope agenda that is geared towards bringing prosperity to our nation. He saw what we are doing and said, look, I need to be part of this team. He came in, told me everything. In fact, we spent time, and he again made, suggested, asked questions and made suggestions on how, from day one, on how to improve on what we are doing, because of his zeal and his will to participate and bring his own contribution and the contribution of Husky organization to the team what we are doing towards bringing prosperity to our nation. He's a young man, but I want to say he's somebody that is really focused in reshaping the future of our country. And these are the kind of youths that we want. Those who have the determination. Those who have the love for our country in their hearts. So I'm not only happy that he's coming to our party, but I'm happy that we're having someone who has this country in his heart. Someone who wants to make his own, bring in his contribution towards bringing prosperity to our nation. You are a comrade. Your senior brother is a comrade, and you are also a comrade. Yes. By virtue of your determination, by virtue of your inclination to help you bring prosperity to our nation. So we are going to work with you. We are going to work with you. And what I'm so much happy about him is that he wants to chart his own course. He doesn't want to rely on his father. He stands on what he believes in. He believes in Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He believes on what Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing for our nation. He believes in his ideology. He believes in his principles. He believes in the renewed hope agenda. So, you will not falter by the grace of God.
Sure.
And based on your determination to help this country, and based on your determination to help this country, to help Mr. President to go for his second term and win his second term, inshallah, you are also going to be great in this country by the grace of God. So, you are our child, you are our son, you are our junior brother, and you are our companion You are our everything. We are going to work with you. And let me tell you, he said he's going to bring whatever is within his reach, not only in this country, but his contacts overseas, the people in diaspora, to help what we are doing in terms of bringing Asuajo to do second term of his administration in Nigeria. So we are glad by what you have proposed. He has made several proposals written on how he's going to help this team to really get stronger and also help in the implementation of the policy of this government. And not only that, also help in making sure that Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu is able to win his election landslide in the 2027 election by the grace of God. So you are welcome. You are welcome to the team and members, the coordinators of 19 northern states of now Husky Bola Ahmed Tinubu organization. You are welcome, and I want to assure you that I'm going to give you the fullest support. The party is going to support you.
100%.
And whatever you want in terms of logistics, in terms of whatever you want to perform your work in promoting the ideals of our president, in enlightening the public about what our president is doing, about what the government is doing, and preparing the government, preparing the party to win the re-election that we are, by the grace of God, we are going to win in 2027. I am ready to provide that for you. And the party will also help, and everyone here will also help. So I will be 200%. Whatever you want, let me know. And apart from working nationally, this is your brother, the zonal vice chairman. Whatever you want at home in your local politics is there. Work with him. He's a good person, someone who has a love of Mr. President in his heart. We work with him. We're in the trenches together with him when the president won his primaries and also won his election. So please, if you want anything from him at home, at the home front, contact him. We'll take you home and show you to the party elders.
Yes, definitely.
Like the NSC and the rest, he will link up with them at the state level. And here at national level, we'll continue to work with you. Once again, congratulations.
Comrade Mustafa Sadu, PhD. I'm the National Vice Chairman Northeast of the APC. I'm from Adamawa State. Today is one of my happiest days. My junior brother stayed here. It's my neighbor. My house is just opposite their house directly. From my sitting room, I see their house, inside their house. And from their sitting room, they see inside my house. And we have never aligned politically. We aligned briefly in 2014, and we parted ways in less than a year. But today is one of my happiest moments because I'm seeing we are looking beyond and above social cleavages that used to restrict us from recognizing what is good. This gentleman and the young man has seen the policies and programs that are being advanced by this government. And this necessitates his move from his former political party to come back to APC and support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu through one of our illustrious leader, DP Senate President, Senator. This goes to show that this is what we call politics without borders. It to surprise you that the initiator of this move is not somebody from Adamawa State. But Adamawa State is also a second home for Senator Barao Jibril, if you are to know. He has a very serious relationship with people from Adamawa State, and he's a nationalist. That goes to show that don't be surprised tomorrow you'll be receiving somebody big from Enugu and you'll be here. So this shows you how nationalistic he is and how he upheld the principle of one Nigeria, and this is what is going to take us forward. Let me come back to the APC. On behalf of the APC National Chairman, Professor Edward Goshe, and the National Working Committee, we welcome you into the APC. And I want to categorically state that APC is a progressive party. Because we are progressives, we have some features that are distinct from any other party. One of which is that once you join APC and you are registered and you become a paying member, financial member of APC, the status and privileges ascribed to a founding member also ascribed to you. We don't waste our time with shenanigans of waivers, restrictions for members that come in today or yesterday. That's why we are progressives. And what brought you to APC will make you be a long-lasting member of APC. Because what brought you to APC is you don't come to APC because you are seeking power. You come to APC because you appreciate the policies and programs of the Mr. President, which align with the manifesto of APC. So political coalition or political relationship that is based on policy, that is policy seeking, lasts longer. Or any political coalition that is power-based, once you come and you do not get the power, you leave. That is why we are saying that the possibility of progress and success in the so-called coalition is not there, because it's a coalition that is power-seeking. APC, when it was formed 2013-2014, there's an element of power-seeking political leaders that join it. Because you can see that people of various political ideology join. But by today, all of us will agree that those categories that are power-seeking have left. So anybody that you see in APC today is pursuing policy, not power. Because all of us knew that we have already, as a party, endorsed Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu for second term. This is collective. The Senate, the Governors Forum, the party has done that. So anybody that is seeking power will not remain in APC. But if you agree with the policies and programs of APC, you remain. So that is why I'm saying that this young man is coming here to stay, and he will do great things going forward, because he recognizes the good work of the president and the policies of the party and joined. And we are going to ensure that you and your structure, you are properly integrated, and every right and privilege ascribed to every and each member of APC will ascribe to you and your group. Thank you very much, Mr. President. May God continue to further support your effort and grace all your activities, and may God also give us the power to fulfill all our promises and ensure that we hold you that come into the party newly as brothers, and ensure that all your yearnings and aspirations are met. Thank you very much.
daɗi, mun gode wa Allah da ya shigo da kai tim ɗin da za su yi nasara a zaɓe mai zuwa. Saboda haka ko shi mahaifinka ya ji ka tare da mu, tare da Bola Tinubu, ya san kana hannu mai kyau, kuma ya san duk harkar mutunci da harkar arzikin da za a yi a nan za a yi da kai, domin ka gaji arzikin, ka gaji siyasar kanta. Kuma sai ka kara mutane da bayanin da nake gaya maka ɗazu-ɗazu, lokacin da Al-Karim ibn al-Karim annabin Allah zai tura Yaƙub, zai tura ƴaƴansa wani gari neman arziki ko sai ce farkuluha min abwabin mutafarriqa, in kun je kar ku shiga ta kofa ɗaya, kowa ya zaɓi kofar da zai shiga. To wannan kai ma ka kwatanta wannan abu. Mai girma waziri yana can, kai kuma kana nan, kuma da hannu mai kyau, albarka manzo Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Kuma da kai da coordinators ɗinka kuna da future, ba abin da Allah ba zai iya mai da ku ba, ba abin da ba za ka zama ba. Mara maka baya, kuma maka alƙawarin duk abin da kake ciki a cikin
my media team nationwide
for the
role you play in facilitating this event. He has done very well. We need to commend him. Very well. And to also commend him for what he's doing for APC nationwide. He's somebody that is doing very well for in terms of so we thank you for what you are doing, and you continue.